Hello, my name is David Brent. This is my attempt to use HHO gas in an experimental airplane to help to see if it will help the economy of the aircraft. The aircraft I'm using is a Glasair 2007 180 horsepower experimental airplane. The engine is a Lycoming carbureted engine. The carburetor is an updraft carburetor, so the carburetor is mounted on the bottom of the engine. It's fed air through the orange ducts that you see at the back of the carburetor. Here's a better picture. The HHO gas is being entered between the two air ducts. You can see the fuel line above it bringing the avgas into the carburetor. Here's a better picture from the bottom showing the HHO gas entering the bottom of the carburetor. I'm pulling the electrical power for the HHO generator right off the amp meter shunt, which will let me see the amperage draw and the voltage changes on the dynon. You can see I'm running the gas line and the electrical connections through the firewall back to the cabin, and I temporarily have the HHO generator strapped down in the co-pilot seat. You can see I added an extended bubbler on top of the HHO generator. I just wanted to be sure that I wasn't pumping water into the carburetor, which could cause carburetor ice in flight. The instrumentation in the airplane is real good. I'm using the Dynon Flight Deck 180. It has 4 EGTs, 4 CHTs, carb air temp, outside air temp, RPM, manifold pressure, percent of power. So I have real good ability to see what's going on with the engine. Here's the initial test flight. I am powering the HHO generator off of the ship battery. And I can see the amperage draw at this time is running about 15 amps. We are not piping the gas into the engine at this point. This is more of a baseline run just to see what the draw on the electrical load is for the HHO generator. This flight lasted for probably about 25 minutes. I think I have the timer showing here at the end of this video. It didn't experience any cell overheating. The amperage draw did climb up to about 23 to 24 amps by the time I landed. I do have a circuit breaker directly on the HHO cell to disconnect it from the aircraft systems if there's a problem. The next flight will be a live flight pumping the HHO gas directly into the carburetor. Some of my concerns obviously would be pumping the HHO and any water vapor into the carburetor could cause carburetor icing, which in an aircraft isn't a good situation. So we'll keep a close eye on that. But I'm confident at this point that the electrical load of the aircraft the electrical system can handle the additional load. See you next time.